What's up, guys? This is the ChapStick Original Classic. Now, if you get mildly chapped lips, this would be the one I'd recommend. However, if you get really, really chapped lips, I don't know necessarily this is going to be the product for you, okay? So again, if you get mildly chapped lips here and there, this is what you're going to want to use. Again, if you're the one that gets severe chapped lips, I wouldn't necessarily recommend this. However, this name has been around for a while. It does its job. And again, you're just going to have that classic original no flavor chapstick. Okay, it does what it's intended to do. Again, relieve your chapped lips, keep them nice and moist. And just again, remember, this is not for people who have severe, chapped lips. This is just for mildly, regular, everyday chapped lips. Okay, but again, it does what it's worth. What it's intended to do, should I say? And again, this name brand has been around for a while, so strongly recommended.